Ngatho cia mwanya muno ni undu wa gucoka na ndirehoka no urathie na mbere wega indi ndiritu kiroko kia umuthi na ingira nenda-ini ciake cia ukinyaniria ari na ucamba munene agitariria itumi ciake gukorwo akioya ikinya ria guthamira kuria USA na ni ndeto edi atakiri auburania. Ndeto auga agucumburania muthenya wa umuthi ukiri ni 1 year since she and her kids moved to the USA. Bisha ici ni ciakorirwo igitamba muno guku social media kuria Samido agikorirwo akiandikana kuga ati aumagaritie mutumia na ciana makirore kuria Saburu, no andu matiagikorirwo magitaukwa muno ni uria agikorirwo akiuga ndeto icio nginyagia hare Karen Nyamu akiumburanirie ndeto ciothe na agikorwo akiuga edi arora kuria USA, undu harehire marakara maingi muno gatagati wa edi na mundu gwitwo Karen Nyamu, kuona Karen ni agikorirwo akiumburania ndeto yo. At the time andu magokoretwo magiciriria ati mundu gwitwo edi arora tu just a small vacation, kuona nake mwene ni agikoretwo akiuga athie USA on vacation, no thutha ucio ndaiganire gucoka bururi-ini na koguo makiria ndatariirie fans ake itumi cia gukorwo akioya decision iyo ya guthamira kuria USA, akiuga today being 1 year since she moved to USA aririnde gukorwo agitariria why she made that decision arauga amekire ya faith over fear, kuria akorwo akiuga, and I quote her words, "It's exactly 1 year ago today when I took a step of faith and started a new chapter of my life that takes a lot of courage and determination. Here's to celebrating my growth, resilience, and the unknown adventures that lie ahead. I have discovered new strengths, developed coping strategies, and gained valuable insights about myself and my ability." Agithina mbere na kuga ati I will keep moving forward, #nothing but prayers, #answered prayers, #power of prayers. Akiuga ati ya mwisho ni fear yakorirwo iki overcome ni faith iria ari nayo, akiuga makinya macio marumu mako move to USA, makinya agikorirwo agitacukia thutha wa maruru magikorirwo makiingira kihiko giake na Samido, kuona ndugu ya Samido yakeingihete muno kuria akoretwo akiuga ati ni ra affect nginya ciana ciake, makiria kairitu gake gakuru riria karathie na mbere na mathomo make. Ndigutenderithia ndeto icio makiria ndaciaria toria cianginyira. Make sure wa turn on your notification na wa subscribe niguo hingo ciothe ugakinyirwo ni video citu. Tucemanie na wa next one.